At NRC, we have been providing reliable, professional radio equipment across the UK since 1989. Customers can choose between ready-to-go, simple, licence-free radio equipment or professional, high-power equipment that will provide a greater distance of communication with advanced features that includes emergency caller, lone worker and man down. If you require radios that need to cover long distances or through steel and concrete of city centre buildings, we have the solution from stock with our off-the-shelf repeater enhancers that can provide coverage quickly and efficiently. If your requirement is for UK-wide communications, our DigiX range of products could be the ideal solution for you. This technology can provide instant communication to users with the ability of GPS tracking and a recording facility, which is a very useful tool for security emergencies and critical operations. We supply our competitively priced DigiX range of radio equipment alongside the leading manufacturers Motorola, Kenwood, ICOM and Hytera to many organisations UK-wide, including police, government, hospitals, industry, security, retail and education. No matter which solution you decide, we will ensure it's the right equipment for you and suitable for your requirements. To ensure this, we provide on-site evaluations and demonstrations for our many business customers, and in this way you can compare the various new technologies so that you can be confident in choosing the correct solution. All our equipment is backed up by a comprehensive service and warranty package from our fully equipped workshops, and we have a full range of radio accessories from multi-chargers, protective cases and audio accessories for immediate delivery. If you would like more information, please contact our team today. Visit our website at www.nrcradio.co.uk or call us on 0151 263 9993.